Yeah, great results from FTMO. I posted it early Friday. That was on the 30th of August on my YouTube channel. So when I restarted the EAs on this FTMO account, so this is the results: $1,766.63 so far for one day. And then we know how Fridays are. Fridays are really, when you, if you're a trader, you know how Fridays are. Sometimes they are somehow, sometimes the Fridays are good. So on a Friday making this, so I believe on Monday is going to make more. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays are also wild. So we shall see. So this is the result so far. I changed the lot size later on the other EA, which seems to be making much more profit than the other one. So I increase it to one lot size, which is somehow risky. This one uses grade from what I've seen so far. It uses grade. The other one uses martingale, somehow martingale. But they are all based on price action, and then they are really fast scalpers. Really fast scalpers with trailing stops. Yeah. The one trading on GU is really good too. I've been trading with it since 2 weeks now. Yeah. So and then first time to use it on FTMO. So from what I've seen so far, it's good. It's good. So let's see in 1 week time what we are going to get.